Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mustang front bumper. First, carefully inspect the bumper to understand the damage. Is it a small scuff, a noticeable dent, or a more significant crack? This initial assessment is crucial for choosing the right repair method. You'll want to gather your tools, which might include a heat gun, some fine grit sandpaper, and a quality body filler. Getting organized now saves time later. For minor scratches and scuffs, start by cleaning the bumper thoroughly with a degreaser to remove any dirt or wax. Next, gently sand the scratched area with a fine grit sandpaper, perhaps 400 grit, until it feels smooth to the touch. Finish by applying a matching touch-up paint or a clear coat. This simple step can make a big difference in your bumper's overall appearance. When dealing with dents, a heat gun can be your best friend. Apply low heat to the dented plastic, then gently push it out from the inside. For small cracks, a plastic repair kit with a strong epoxy or body filler works wonders. Make sure the area is clean and dry before applying the filler. Allow ample time for it to cure completely before moving on. After repairs, sand the area smooth with progressively finer sandpaper, perhaps starting with 600 grit. This creates a perfect surface for painting. Apply several thin, even coats of primer, letting each coat dry completely. Finally, apply your color-matched paint, followed by a clear coat for durability and shine. Your Mustang's bumper will look fantastic, almost like new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.